about Lord Rama's name being found in the Sumerian king list. Not only his name was found in the Sumerian king list, the other names included Bharata and also Dasaratha. Dasaratha and Bharata's name find a place along with Rama in Sumeria, but curiously, the offspring of Rama, Lava and Kusa are not found. At the same time, there is another king list of Hittites, a Hittite kingdom, kings list. This included the name of Parasurama, Ikshvaku, Janamejaya, Sudhanyu, and a host of kings which are mentioned in Indian Puranas. Now Hittites belong to a civilization which were occupying what is called modern Turkey. Modern Turkey. In Turkey also you find 12 Adityas engraved in a temple. I'll deal with that later. So, in the Hittite king list, we find the name of Dasaratha, and he is called as Tushrata. Dasaratha means Dasans, 10, Rata, Ratha, chariots. So 10 chariots. When the term was used, the term got mutilated. Dasaratha became Dashrata, Tushrata. It became a Tushrata. Now the question I have in my mind is, if Rama and Dasaratha's name are found in Sumerian king list, and also the names of the other brothers of Rama, that is Bharata, Shatrughna, and Rama's offspring Lava and Kuja are not detailed. In this case, Lava and Kuja are not even mentioned at all. But Bharata is mentioned, that is why the archaeologists take that to mean it is not the Bharata of Ramayana, but it is the Bharata, son of Dushyanta and Shakuntala, after whom Bharat is named. But this Tushrata is mentioned along with Janamejaya and Parasurama and a host of others, including Ikshvaku. Then, as the king lists of Hittite contain this, then that indicates that the Hittite rulers also have come from the same stock as that of the Sumerians. Hittites occupied what is now called as Turkey. So, how come in one area we find the name of, common name you find Dasaratha is mentioned as Tushrata in Hittites and Dasaratha in Sumeria. And we find Rama, as I said earlier, in Sumerian king list. And we find the other names, Janamejaya, etc., we find. One of the anthropologists, Oates, from United Kingdom, since he did not know the total Indian Puranas, he interpreted that Dasaratha, based on Sumerian list, Dasaratha indirectly helped his son Bharata to ascend the throne. So, my dilemma is it that Dasaratha's offspring, apart from Rama, ruled Sumeria? If so, who were they? Why it was not mentioned in Sumerian king list? And why Lava and Kusa are left? That's one portion. The second portion is that in when you get the mention of Dasaratha as Tusharata and other kings, as he said, Janamedya, etc. are mentioned, it goes to prove that Hittites are also from the Sanatana Dharma. So, the expansion of Sanatana Dharma from what is now called the present India through Iran to Middle East is cross-verified through the text of Hittites king list and also the king list of Sumeria. More to follow on Elamite kings and also Kassite kings.